Alright guys, so now we are here in Google and I'm going to show you guys how you can create a music inside of Gemini, and you can use it as a background music. You can use it to your if you're using Artistly and you want to create a storyboard for music. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do that in this tutorial. Okay, so without any further ado, right, so now I'm here in Google and I'm just gonna type Gemini. Okay, just go to Gemini and click this one. So if you don't have an account, then go ahead and click your create an account and log into your Gemini. All right, so I'm gonna put this here, and as you see guys, it's Gemini 3. You can ask anything about anything, okay? And here are the other tools, and as you see guys, if you click this one, it says create an image. You can create image, whatever image that you want. So you can use that for canvas or deep research. And this is the new one, which is this is tutorial for create a music, and we're going to create a music using Gemini. All right, you click the tools, and even though you don't click the tools, it will pop up here and you will see here create image, create music, help me to learn, write anything, and boost my day. All right, so I'm going to click create a music. And there you go. And here you're going to type what type of music that you want to create, right? Just to be safe, there are some important things that I want to tell you guys. You can create background music here, instrumentals, things like that, or generic genders like cinematic, lo-fi, ambient, things like that. All right, so it's very risky guys if you will create a music like you're gonna say asking for music in a style of AI, like specific artists, like for example create a music like Taylor Swift or something like that, right? So uploading it to music distribution platform as like exclusive work, and also selling it as a royalty free without checking the terms. All right, so just be mindful of that thing if you're planning to do that. All right, so but before we do that, we all know that we have a rule in creating prompt. So as I am working with AI while I'm doing this tutorial, I want to teach you guys how to create a specific prompt so that you can get the result that you want. The more specific, the better result you will get, or the better output you will get. Okay. All right, so for example, I will describe my track that I want to create. Rap song about making money. All right, so I'll create a 2-minute modern hip hop rap song about making money, using AI tools. Okay, I'm not gonna click enter because I'm not done with this. I need to give more instructions to AI so that I can get the music that I want. Just make sure that you do not name any artist, okay? Here is the music, and let's hear it.
Yeah, new age hustle, let's get it. Learning all the prompts, I'm the master of the mission. Turning every
All right, so now we're here in Artistly, and I'm just gonna show you guys on how you can do it inside of this. So we're gonna create a design agent. Click this one, and under the category, you're gonna look at the music storyboard. So just click this one. Okay, so here we're going to upload the audio. Okay, click the browse and go to your files and upload. And there you go. And then we're just going to a storyboard style, like let's say like hip hop. Let's say hip hop style, hip hop rap. All right, guys. So now as you see, all of these are generated. There you go. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is we're going to you can download this for bulk. So I'm just gonna select it and download it. All right, so download is completed, and then I'm going to Video Express because I want to see how it sounds like, how it looks like. So let's go to Video Express. All right, so now we are here in Video Express, and we're going to export all those images that we just got from Artistly. To do that, click Import Media and go to Import Artistly. And now, as you see, guys, here are the images that we just created. So just, you know, click it, this one to 5 images and import. All right, so all the images are already in the Artistly images. So let's find all those images. Click the media library and let's go to Artistly images. There you go. Click this folder, and as you see, guys, here are the images. If you want to download all of this, guys, you can just drag it here, but you can play with this. But as you see, guys, it's just static. All right. So what I'm going to do, I want this to move, and so I'm going to go to create this with AI. So click the create with AI, and we're going to do image to video. I'm gonna click this one, and here there's so many folders here, but I'm gonna make a folder, a new one for this, so I want it organized. So you're gonna click the plus sign, and okay, let's say hip hop, just for the sake of this tutorial. I'm gonna make this folder, and when you scroll up, just find that folder. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna click this one, and as you see, guys, this folder doesn't have any it's empty. All right, so I'm gonna go to upload the file, which is, remember, I download all those bulk images inside of my computer. Okay, so here are, I'm sorry for that ambulance while I'm recording this, guys. All right, so here are the images. I only have 4 images. Okay, so I'm going back to, oops. So I'm going back here, and I'm going to upload all those other files, and go to your computer and download the designs. All right, so here are the 4. So I'm gonna just, you know, drag all of this and click open, and there you go. So we have 4 images here, and I'm just gonna click upload all those files. All right, so I'm gonna close this one, and as you see, it's still static images, right? So I want this to move, and then I'm gonna upload the audio that we just created. So to do that, guys, we're going to choose any one of this. So maybe I'm just gonna choose this one first, and we need a video action for this, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to chat GPT. All right, so we are here in ChatGPT, and click the plus sign. As I told you guys, you can add files, any files that you want for ChatGPT to, to see. So I'm gonna click him and open it over here. All right, so I'm gonna ask GPT to help me to write uh, a video action prompt. Okay, a video action prompt based on this image. Okay, because you know we're asking a video prompt, so we need a help. And if you cannot think about it, then just go to ChatGPT and ask for help. Okay, so help me to write a video action prompt based on this image that you just upload, right? So I'm gonna click enter, and let's see, and just wait for the prompt so that we can copy and paste and bring it into um Video Express. Okay, there you go. A confident young man in the black, because he needs this one. He needs the image. He needs the picture to, to help him also to create a video action. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, guys, is we're going to copy and paste this one. And then we're going back to Video Express, and we're just gonna paste it here. All right, so we're gonna make a video length booster. That's why I always put the check in this box to make sure that the video is a little bit longer, because we never know how long it will take the music. Okay, so create a video, and let's wait for seconds. All right, so now once we finish this one, we can keep going, guys, the same process. We close this one, and then we're going back to image to video. We still have 4 more image. Go to select, go to find the hip hop folder that we just created. We finish this one, and then we're going to this one. I'm gonna choose this. All right, and uncheck this, uncheck, and just the video length booster. All right, so I'm going to another video action prompt that we need into this image. We're going back to ChatGPT, and we're gonna click add the photos, and we're gonna get this one and open. Okay, I just copy and paste this one, guys. Alright, so now after this, guys, we're going to copy again. Same process, guys, over and over again. It depends on how many images that you have. I just want to see how it looks like when we finish this 30 seconds, music. So I'll go back here and paste it here and create a video. Okay, we have two more. So I think while creating, we just keep going so that we can, finish all of this static images. Check this one and Vigilant Booster, create a video. All right, so now we're done for all of those four images. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to AI videos so that we can find all those images and we can drag it into Video Express. All right, so to do that, maybe some of you are, I'm just going to delete this one. Some of you are beginner or, just starting using Video Express. And I hope this tutorial helps to create a project that whatever you are creating in music, in storyboard music. All right, so to find out those videos that we created, you go to Media Library and scroll down and find the AI video folder, all right? So this is the images where we download it from Artistly, right? And from Artistly, from image to video, you're gonna find it in my AI video. So click this folder, and now as you see, guys, it's still generating. So we've done this, we've done this. I can just drag over here. Okay, just drag it here, here, and this one over here. All right, so now we're almost done of these four, so I'm just gonna drag it here and drag him here. You can always change the place wherever it is you want it to. Depends on the music, but I just randomly drag it down here. But we can put this one over here, or wherever you want it to put based on the music. Okay, so now what we're gonna do next is we're going to download the music that we just created inside of Gemini. To do that, you go into your media library. Oops. And as you see here, the folders, you go to audio, okay? Just go to audio folders because this is where all the audios going when you upload it. Click this one and then you're gonna click upload the file. All right, so we're gonna add the files and go to your computer to where you download the music. So here it is. I'm gonna click this and I'm going to open it and upload the files. All right, so the file is already uploaded and there you go. So what I'm gonna do this is I'm just going to drag it here at the bottom. And as you see, guys, there's that's why we boost the video or the image so that I know when the music is too long, we still have a lot of videos to do. But you can always drag it like this. You can cut it off if you have extra image for that. Okay, so we can still fix this one, guys, after we watch this. We can put this one over here. We can put this one over here, so it's all up to you how you position your music or your images. Okay, let's play with this and let's listen. Just 30 seconds, guys. Give me your time. 30 seconds.
Yeah, new age hustle, let's get it. Learning all the prompts, I'm the master of the mission. Turning every good idea to a digital submission. AI on the grind, making money while I sleep now. Watch the online income from a beginner's leap now. Selling products online, watch the profits getting deep now. Yeah, selling online, watch the profits getting deep now. Profits getting deep now. Woo.
All right, so that's how we can create these, guys. So you can make more videos if you want to. You can put voiceover if you want to. I can do that too, but I just want to show you guys the main purpose of this tutorial, that you can create your storybook music board using Gemini music creation and then upload it to Artistly to create these images and then put it into Video Express so that you have a video while they're listening. There's a video moving, not just a static image. Okay, so this is how you can create videos storyboard using Artistly, Video Express, and Gemini AI. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. And if you want to learn more, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. And by the way, I just want to announce to you guys that I have a new store inside of Stan store. I will put the link in the description, and some just to let you guys, if you need tools to use into your business, I have some products that I just uploaded into my store. So feel free to go, guys, and visit my store, and I will put the link on the description so that you can just click and go to my store and find the tools that you need into your project and make money with it. All right, so thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.